deploy new software from OnRobot, working with all our different hardware and with all the different robot brands. We have basically a number of hardware pieces. We have a base module of our compute box, is what is really what you need when you want to work with deploy. This connects with the robot, and once you have done all your electrical connections, all you have to do is to scan a QR code, and you can do that with whatever device you like. That will give you a secure connection up to our cloud. When we have the compute box connected, we will automatically detect the equipment that is in the cell. So we will detect the robot brand, we will detect the robot model automatically, we will detect the end of arm tools automatically. What you have to do, depending on, say, what kind of application you have, is to add an in-feed sensor, an out-feed sensor, or other equipment that you have in the cell. This is just done through easy I/O integration. When we have done that, we will actually have a cell defined like this. You can see we have the grippers, we have the robot, we have the cleaner, we have everything that is in this little robot cell defined and green, making that it is recognized and that it is working. So then we go into the to the workspace, where we have modeled all the different robots and their workspace. And here you can then start adding different obstacles. If you have a pillar, if you have a wall, if you have an in-feed position here, or that you need to take into consideration when you do the motion planning. So this is basically how you define the workspace and where the robot is allowed to move. And then doing that, we will go into the actual applications. Here we have some applications, so we will just click edit. And then we get into the actual application where we define the pick position, we define the load into machine position, we define the outfeed position. Here we have also added the cleaning as an option. So now we have all of the positions defined. Now all we need to do is to key in the size and the weight of the on-machine part and also of the finished part, and then now we will have all this in the cloud, and within 15 seconds we can calculate the entire motion planning and everything that needs to happen within the cell. And then you have done your application in an hour instead of in a week.